Starting a business can be a challenging and expensive endeavor, and many entrepreneurs turn to crowdfunding platforms like Gofundme to raise funds for their ventures. Crowdfunding on Gofundme may seem like the logical choice if you're just starting out and need to raise funds for an exciting business opportunity. Here are some tips to raise fund for your business on Gofundme. 1. To raise fund on Gofundme, your business must be eligible. In order to use the platform, your business must meet certain eligibility requirements. This means that your business cannot be involved in any activities, or sell any products that violate laws or government regulations. In addition, Gofundme prohibits campaigns related to weapons, gambling or gaming, and offensive or graphic content. This includes campaigns related to knives or firearms. Gofundme reserves the right to determine what is acceptable and what is not, and may remove any campaigns that do not comply with these guidelines. It is important to carefully review the Gofundme terms of service before creating a campaign, to ensure that your business is eligible, and that your campaign meets all of the necessary requirements. This will help ensure that your campaign is successful, and that you are able to use the platform effectively to raise the fund your business needs. At number 2 is, create your business account. Simply go to the Gofundme website, and click the Sign Up button to create an account. You will then, at that point, be incited to enter your email address, and make a secret password. From that point onward, you should give some essential individual data, like your name, address, and telephone number. You can begin developing a business campaign as soon as your account is created. This involves selecting a campaign title and writing a brief explanation of its purpose. You can also add pictures and videos to your campaign to help tell your story, and make it more appealing to people who might donate. You will receive a unique link that you can share with others after creating your campaign. This link will direct visitors to the landing page for your campaign, where they can learn more about it and, if they so choose, donate. Overall, creating an account and setting up a campaign is a fairly simple process. Your campaign can be up and running in a matter of minutes with just a computer or smartphone and an internet connection. So, it's a simple way to raise funds for your business. 3. Create a compelling campaign page to aid you raise fund for your business. Creating a compelling campaign page is important for a Gofundme fundraising campaign because it helps to clearly communicate your message and persuade potential donors to contribute to your cause. The campaign page should: Step 1. Clearly explain your business idea. Make sure to clearly and concisely explain what your business idea is, and how it will benefit the community or solve a problem. Step 2. Set a specific fundraising goal. It's important to have a specific fundraising goal in mind, so that potential donors know exactly how much you are trying to raise, and can feel confident that their contributions will make a difference. Step 3. Explain how you plan to use the funds. Let potential donors know exactly how you plan to use the funds that are raised. 3. This helps to create trust, and makes it more likely that people will want to contribute. Step 4. Use compelling visuals. Use images and videos to help bring your campaign to life, and engage potential donors. Step 5. Tell a story. Use storytelling to help make a personal connection with potential donors, and help them understand the impact their contributions will have. Before we continue, kindly help us to put this video in front of many that may need it by smashing the like button and sharing this video with people that it will interest in your network. Thank you for staying tuned. Moving on to number 4 is, set a realistic goal for the fund you need to raise for your business. It is essential to set an attainable goal for a fundraising campaign because it enables you to effectively plan, and helps you focus your efforts and resources. Based on your company's size, and the costs of starting it, you should set a goal that is achievable. This could include costs associated with product development, operations, marketing and advertising. Be open and honest about how you intend to use the funds when you set a fundraising goal. This means letting potential donors know exactly how the fund raised will be used to help your business. Donors' trust and credibility can be improved as a result, and they are more likely to support your campaign. It's likewise smart to consider offering prizes or motivators to contributors who contribute a specific sum. You may inspire donors to contribute more to your campaign as a result of this. A thank you note or small gift, a discount on your products or services, for example, could be these rewards. And at number 5 is, building a strong network can also help raise the fund for your business. Any GoFundMe campaign's success depends on the strength of its network. It increases your chances of getting money for your campaign, and lets you reach a larger audience. To promote your campaign, you can use your personal and professional networks in a number of different ways. 1. Use both your personal and professional social media accounts to promote your campaign. This incorporates accounts like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. 2. Include relevant hashtags in your posts, and tag any relevant organizations or individuals. 3. Email your family, friends, and coworkers about your campaign. 4. You can also include a link to the campaign page, as well as a brief explanation of your fundraising goal. 5. You can reach out to local news outlets to check whether they will be interested in your campaign. 6. If your business is related to a specific industry, you can consider reaching out to the industry blogs or websites to see if they'll be interested in promoting your campaign. You can make your GoFundMe campaign more visible and more likely to receive funding by establishing a strong network and making use of your personal and professional connections. Finally, at number 7 is engage with donors. Engaging your donors by keeping them informed about the progress of your business and how you are utilizing the fund raised is essential. You can accomplish this through personal communication, regular updates, or newsletters. This way you are demonstrating to your donors that you are accountable for their contributions. This may encourage them to continue supporting your business and help build trust. In addition, engaging your donors can aid in the development of a sense of community and connection to your business. Donors are more likely to continue supporting you and spreading the word about your campaign if they have a stake in its success. This can be especially important if you're running a crowdfunding campaign because you'll probably need donations to reach your goal. Overall, interacting with your donors is an essential component of developing and sustaining strong relationships with those who support your company. You can guarantee that they will continue to support you in the future if you keep them informed and build trust with them. In conclusion, it is not easy to run a crowdfunding campaign, and the more successful your campaign is, the more funds you can raise. Additionally, raising funds for your business can be a great way to get your community behind your business. You might have a better chance of reaching your fundraising goal if you have a large online following or dedicated customers. Many people support campaigns based on their emotional appeal. People will be more likely to share your campaign if they feel a connection to your business, which will bring attention to your business. That's all we got for today. Do you have any other tips on how to raise funds for your business on GoFundMe? If share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you turn on your notifications so you will be notified when next we post a new video.